Good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how we can fix if Chrome is not playing YouTube audio. For example, if you're trying to play a YouTube video on Chrome browser, see this is the Chrome browser. If no audio is playing, then we can fix this. So first we need to check where the problem lies. So whether the problem is with Windows or the problem is with Chrome. To check that, just open control panel. First time checking whether the problem is with Windows means this audio drivers. Is there any problem with the audio drivers or something like that? So in the control panel, you will see an option called hardware and sound. Double tap on this, and under sound, click on manage devices. And see here, this is the speakers with the audio drivers, and right click on this and click on test. So the sound is perfect and there is no issue from the Windows side as I just checked it. For example, click on this properties and make sure this is enabled. For example, if this option is being shown on your laptop, just check with this, like use this device and click on OK and click on apply, so that your sound will be okay. And now we'll fix from the Chrome side. So on the Chrome, and right click on this tab and click on, if there is mute site option already enabled, just click on unmute site and try to check whether the sound is visible now. Check whether the sound is audible now and everything is working fine. If this also still doesn't work, you need to click on these three dots and click on settings here, and under settings, uh, click on privacy and security and click on site settings. Okay, under site settings, scroll to the bottom and here you will see advanced content settings. So click on this drop down, there you will see sound and click on this option. And if the option is set to this one, don't allow sites to play sound, you need to change it like this and no need to save anything. Just click on back and now try to play this audio